2 good reasons and 1 bad reasons of Flingnetic lashes. Let's talk about the good reasons first. So the first thing about Flingnetic lashes is that these are super easy to apply on within 30 seconds. Let me show you guys. Even the beginners can easily apply on their lashes, and what you gotta do is very simple. So this is a box of Flingnetic lashes, and what I'm gonna do is, wow, these are super pretty. First of all, look at them. So this is the eyeliner which I'm going to be applying it on before I stick my lashes.
Just like that. Wow, as an eyeliner guys, trust me.
Like this in the center one.
Super easy to apply on.
That's it. Let's go. We're done. I mean, literally, this is so pretty. Second good reason is that it 10x your makeup look, and I would definitely apply these on if I'm doing a very good heavy eyeshadow look, and you know, as I want to go to a party or a dinner. So I will definitely put these on and I will definitely get compliments. Now let's talk about that bad reason. So the bad reason is that these lashes quickly sell out really fast. I only bought these like 1 month ago and I've been waiting for it to restock. Sol, Carnival, and Juliet, and these lashes can be reused up to 50 times. So that means 150 plus applications in such a good reasonable price. Now I know how quickly these run out. So don't miss your chance to buy it at a promotional price with free delivery while the offer is still available. So yeah, once again, Flingnetic lashes.